What's going on, guys? So today I want to give a quick channel update and let you guys know what's going on because I haven't posted in a while and it might be a little while before I post again. Some of you have contacted me and asked if I was still alive, and yes, I'm very much still alive, luckily. It's just been incredibly busy. I don't know what it is about summers, but they're always incredibly busy. Last summer was the same way, which is one of the reasons that I had to stop YouTube last summer. This summer's been kind of the same. At the beginning of the summer I had a small family emergency that I had to deal with, but that's all sorted out now. First world problems type thing. Everything's better now than it was before, so that's good. Next I had a home emergency that I had to deal with, and that ate up some time, and it kind of opened up a small rat's nest of stuff that I got to do moving forward. Then I was out of town for a week visiting family in Virginia, and then moving forward from today, starting next week, I've got a home renovation project that I will be starting, which is probably going to take 4 weeks for me to do. Now with that being said, I have a couple of probably a couple smaller videos coming out relatively soon, in the next couple weeks maybe. One of them is about the bevel jig from White Bone Knives. If you guys are in the market for a bevel jig, definitely go check out the one from White Bone Knives, because in my opinion I think this one's the best, simply due to a couple of features it has. I'll go over that in the review video, which will be coming. I apologize because I said I'd do this a while ago and I haven't gotten to it yet, simply because of everything that's been going on. That's pretty much what I've been up to. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, there'll be probably a couple other videos coming out shortly. There'll be probably a different style to them due to the fact that I don't have a ton of time to do editing and you know, shooting videos and that sort of stuff. But again, thank you guys for watching and subscribing and liking all the videos and commenting. I still read all of the comments 100%. Unfortunately, I haven't had the time to reply to everybody, which is something that I've really tried to do up until this point. But anyway, I still do read all of the comments, so it's always nice hearing from you guys. Again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.